Children, today we are going to learn Maths, 5th Standard Maths Term 3, Systematic Ordering. So this is second lesson, Systematic Ordering. So what is systematic ordering? So logically find out something based on some conditions. So here are some of the sequence of numbers that you already know. So sequence of natural numbers. So natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on. Next, sequence of odd numbers. Odd numbers start from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and it goes on. So odd number, what is odd number? We cannot pair the number. We cannot pair the number, and always there is a remaining in it. So if we take 3, in 3 we can pair 2 and 1 is remaining there. So that is called odd number. An even number, we can pair the number in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. There is no remaining in it. So even number, there is no remaining in it. In odd number, we have a remaining. So what is the sequence of numbers in even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and it goes on. Next, sequence of square numbers. What are square numbers? Square number is nothing but a number multiplied by the same number, or a number multiplied by itself. If you take 1 into 1, it is equal to 1. 2 into 2, 4. The number multiplied by itself, same number. 4. 3 into 3, 9. So what are the numbers? What are the square numbers here? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 4 into 4 it is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49 and it goes on. So you should know what is square number. Square number is nothing but the number multiplied by itself. So the sequence of square number is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Next is 36, 49, 64, 81, 100 and it goes on. Next we are going to learn sequence of prime numbers. Sequence of prime number. What is prime number? The number that has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and it goes on. So it has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Next, multiples of 2. So multiples of 2 is nothing but 2 table. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and it goes on. Multiples of 4, we have to add 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, 4 table. 4, 8, 12, 16, next 20, 24 and it goes on. Add the same number and a set successive numbers. So we are going to add the number. So first number is 1 and the next number is 4. So how can you find the interval between them? 1, next 2, 3, 4. So we have to add 3 numbers. Next 4. Again 5, 6, 7. Again 8, 9, 10. So the successive number, the difference between each number is 3. So if we add 3 to the given number, we get the number. Next is 10. Then 11, 12, 13. Next number is 13. Next, after 13, 14, 15 and 16. 16. Next number is 17, 18, 19. So the difference between the number is 3. The interval between the number is 3. So next we are adding here. Now subtract the same number and set a successive numbers. So we are going to subtract the numbers. So how? If we subtract these two numbers, what the number we get? 37. Next 36. We have to count backwards. 36, 35, 34, 33 and 32. So how many fingers are there? There are 5. So the interval is 5. So we have to subtract 5, 5, 5, 5. So 32 minus 5 is 27. 27 minus 5 is 22. 22 minus 5 is 17. 17 minus 5 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Is it clear? So this is how we have to see the difference between the two numbers. So what is the interval between the number? This is a backward counting and this is a forward counting. Next, multiple the same number and set a successive numbers. So here it is 1, here it is 3. So we have to multiply by the same number. So 1 3 is 3. 3 is here. Again 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Now 27 into 3. 27 into 3 is 1, 2, it is 71. Again 71 into 3 is 213 and it goes on. So these are the numbers. So you should know what they have said here. Now it is division. Divide the same number and set a successive numbers. So it is 64, then it is 32 and again it is 16. So here we are going to divide it by 2. In 2 table 6, how many times does it come? 3 times. Again 4 in 2 table it comes 2 times. So it is 32. Again if you divide 32, 3 comes 1 time in 2 table. So there will be remaining 1 and 12. 12 comes 6 times. So again if you divide 16 in 2 table 8 times 16. So again if you divide it, 8 comes 4 times. Again if you divide 2, 2 comes, 4 comes 2 times. If you divide 2, it comes 1 time. So these are the numbers: 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 and then 1. So this is how we can find the successive numbers. You should know whether it is addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. So that's the thing. So next we are going to learn is, let's give numbers to the English alphabet. So how many alphabets are there? Already we know there are 26 alphabets. So we are going to give a number, give the number. For A it is 1, for B it is 2. So we are going to give the numbers orderly. Till A to Z we have 26 numbers. If you know the alphabet number, we can calculate this. So here cat is 24. So how they have calculated cat? For C it is 3. For C it is 3 and A it is 1. So 3 plus 1 and T, what is the number for T? It is 20. So 3 plus 1 plus 20 is 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 20 is 24. Then for bat, B, what is the number for B? It is 2. So they have written 2 here. And A it is 1. And then for T it is again 20. So 2 plus 1 plus 20 is 23. And here they have given in a different way. They have not added it. They have given, like for B it is 2. And for O it is 15. They have written as it is. Next for y it is 25. So 2, 15, 25. They have written it as like this. Then for girl, how do we write? Girl, G. What is the number for G there? 7. So they have written 7 here. And then for I it is 9. So they have written 9. Next for R it is 18. So they have written 18. Next for L, the number is 12. So we have to see how they have given. If they have added it, we have to add the next name of the name. And if they have not added it, or they have given in some sequence, we have to write as it is. Is it clear, children? So now this is the activity 2. Color the numbers row with the help of the following tips. So first one, orange color to the prime number row. So all these are prime number: 2, 23, 5, 37, 61, 13, 7, 29, 97. All these are prime numbers. They have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. It doesn't go in any other table other than this. So I'm going to color orange for prime numbers. So color orange for prime numbers. Next, don't color the odd number row. So which is the odd number row? This is the odd number row, but it is already colored. So you should not color this one. Leave as it is. Okay. Next, blue color to the multiples of 6 row. So multiples of 6, blue color. So what are the multiples of 6? It's nothing but the 6 tables. So we are going to color this row with blue. So this is 6 table. 6, 12, 18, 24. All these are multiples of 6. Next, don't color the next. Fourth one is orange color to the square number row. So again, orange to the square numbers. Which are the square numbers here? 1, 16, 4, 25, 9, 36, 49, 64, 81. These numbers are square numbers. So this is orange color. We are going to color orange. So next one is, don't color the even number row. Then blue color for the multiples of blue color, the multiples of 8 row. So multiples of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 48, 56. We are going to color it blue. Okay, now it is clear for you. So this two you should not color, but I have colored it already. All these are even numbers, but it is also an odd number. Sorry, all this prime numbers, but it is also an odd number. So odd numbers and even numbers, let me color with this one. So now it is clear for you. First number, first row, it is, what is the number there? It is prime number because it has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. It doesn't go in any other table. Next, 1, 16, 4, 25, 9, 36, 49, 64. These are square numbers. So that is 1 into 1 is 1, 4 into 4 is 16, 2 into 2. This is 5 into 5 is 25, 3 into 3, 9, 6 into 6, this is 7 into 7, this is 8 into 8, and this is 9 into 9. So these are called square numbers. Square number is nothing but the number multiplied by itself. And these numbers cannot be paired. They always have a remaining. So these are called odd numbers. And next one is we can pair the number and it doesn't have remaining. So these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, this sequence of numbers are called even numbers. And this is the multiples of 6. And next 8, 16, 24 till 72, it is the multiples of 8. So this is how we should know to identify. So next, let us fill the number wheel. So here 1, 1. So 1 into 1. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Next 2 into 2. 3 into 3. 4 into 4. So 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. And 4 into 4 is 16. So this is the condition there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again here 1 sevens are 7. This is 2 sevens. Here we are multiplying by 7. So 1 sevens are 7, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21, and 4 sevens are 28. Next it is 8, 16, 32. If you know this is nothing but multiples of 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 sevens are 56. Next 8 eights are 64. Is it clear? This is how we should know the condition how to fill this number wheel. Next, complete the circle using the given 4 basic operators to get the number 20. So this is the answer. So first let us do addition. So how many 5s make 20? 5 plus 5 is 10. If you want 20, again 1 5, it is 15, again 1 5. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 it is 20. Now let us subtract. To get 20, we have to subtract by 16. So if you subtract 16, it is 0, 3 minus 1, 2. Now let us do multiplication. 2 into how many times makes 20? 2 tens are 20. So 40 divided by 2 makes 20. If you know tables, it would be easy for you to fill this operation. So now fill in the blanks. So here is the sequence of numbers. So it is 5, 10, 15. If you notice this is the multiples of 5. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, then 4 5s are, it is 20. It is 20. Next one is 30, 24. So we have to see the interval between them. So we have to count it backwards. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. So the interval is 6, or the difference is 6. So we have to less 6. So it is 24 again. 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. Or you can see from the backwards, it is multiples of 6. 6, 12, 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, and 5 6 is 30. Next one is, so we are going to add 7. After 7 it is 8 and 9. So we are going to add 2. Again 9, 10, 11. Next 11, 12, 13. So we are going to add two numbers and find the number sequence. 13, again 14, 15. Next 16, 17. It is clear now. Next So this is 1, 4, 9. So it seems to be 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25. So this is a square number. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the interval is, difference is 3. We are going to add 3 to the numbers. Next 5, 6, 7. 3 numbers. Next 8, 9, 10. Again 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19. So we are adding 3 to all the numbers. Next, answer the following. If book is 43, then pen is. Here we should know the number for the alphabet. Here they have added it. So for pen, what is the value for P? For P it is 16. So if you don't know, you can just turn to the front page. For P it is 16, and for E it is 5, and N it is 14. So 16, E is 5, and N is 14. So if we add all this, 16 plus 5, 16 plus 5, 16 plus 5 plus 14 is equal to, 16 plus 5 is 21, 21 and 31, and it is 35. For next one, we should not add but write the number as it is. For C it is 3, and for L it is 12, and for A it is 1, and for S it is 19. Again yes, it is 19. Now here bag is 10. Then for book is, we have to add it. For book 2 plus, for O it is 15. Again O it is 15, and for K it is 11. So we are going to add all this. So 15 plus 15 is 30, and this is 32, 33, and this is 43. Next, this is also we are going to add. For lion is 50, then for tiger, the value of T is 20, and for I it is 9, and for G it is 7, and E it is 5, and for R it is 18. And we add all this. This is 29. 29 plus 7 is 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. 41, 51, and it is 59. And next, you should write the number for the alphabet. For C it is 3, and for O it is 15. Again C it is 3, and for K it is 11. So this is how we should find the numbers for the alphabet. If it is given as a 2-digit number, we have to add all the value for the alphabets. If it is a big a number, we have to write the alphabet number as it is. It's clear? Thank you.